How to fix not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings on Roblox. Now, the specific error message is just very easy to fix. There are just some parts of the settings directly on Roblox profile for us to be able to fix this. So all I want to do first is to access your Roblox software or pull it up using your preferred web browser. Now once you're here, you're just gonna make sure that you're fully logged into your account. Now to access those options, all I have to do is to locate the gear icon, which is usually shown at the top right portion of your screen. Click on that and head directly to the settings. Now once you click that, you will be redirected to another page in which you have multiple access on your Roblox. Now head down directly to privacy and content restrictions, and you just have to ensure that all of these options right here is set to everyone. So you just go to content maturity first and make sure that this is on moderate, and then on communication go to experience chat, and then these options should be on the everyone option. Now next is on the visibility and private servers. Now on visibility, it needs to be everyone as well as on private servers. Now you have to do each one of these options right here for you to be able to fix it. And that's how you fix not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings in Roblox.